guys? Jeremiah here, friendly neighborhood Disney freak. We are again at Disneyland. The only difference is it's somebody's birthday. Whose birthday is it, Tita Jen?
It's mine!
And to celebrate Tita Jen's birthday, we've come to Disneyland at no better occasion because check it out, you guys.
It's
Christmas! Which is kind of weird because a few days ago it was just Halloween, so they...
This is the best holiday.
Yeah, so they decorated pretty fast. Like, they had an unlimited supply of pixie dust to help them out. Like, check it out, you guys. There's Christmas decorations all over Main Street already. And there's the tree. So big. We got the rest of the family over here. Everybody's just chilling today. Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby.
What's up, Papa?
Hello. I'm trying to hypnotize your brothers, but they keep telling me that they're not being hypnotized. Why is that?
We are not weak-minded.
No Jedi mind tricks will work on us. You've seen Now You See Me. You know what happens. There's already snow on the castle. You guys don't know it because YouTube doesn't have like temperature vision or anything like that, but it's really hot, so that's like some magical snow. It's gotta be. I like how as Filipinos, first thing we do once we get to Disneyland is eat. We get food and then we just eat.
All right, thank you.
So yeah, I'm just sitting here eating a corn dog, just waiting for everybody. I think we are gonna go on Pirates first, hopefully. We wanna go on something. At least I do. But you know, like Filipinos do, we're just eating first, so. Hey Baba, how are you enjoying the trip so far?
Good. I'm enjoying it very well.
That's nice. Favorite part so far, besides eating the turkey leg.
Haven't been to one particular ride yet, but hey, this is the beginning.
They're still young. Alright, so we just got off of... No, it's actually kind of like...
It's fast?
Yes.
As long as it's fast.
So we just got off of Pirates of the Caribbean, and some of the family actually wanted to graduate from that level of wetness to Splash Mountain. Now we're not gonna wait like 45 minutes to go, so we just decided to take like a shortcut and go single rider.
Once again.
We're all excited. We're all looking at the boats passing by. Look, it's Mama Ami's first time. Hi, Mama Ami. You excited? She's excited. AJ's just chill. And then Papa's waiting patiently. He's excited as well, but he's not going to show it. That's bad as black. So, other than that, I'm pretty dry, so it's not that bad. My glasses, though, are pretty wet, if you guys can see that. It's like I have, like, this part just covered, like an eye patch. Other than that, I'm pretty dry. Yay, we found Mama Ami. Did you have fun, Mama Ami?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take that as a yes. Hey, everybody have fun, that's great.
Huh? You guys all get on one
Yeah,
thing?
by yourself.
Did you have a butt wet?
Yeah, it was fun, but it's over. It's over.
It ain't over till it's over.
Quite fun.
It's okay, you're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. Okay, so now we're heading over to Space Mountain, and everybody's pretty psyched. Hey, Mommy, you excited?
It's gonna be fun.
See, we're gonna have fun, and we have Mama Tilda back there. She's a first timer.
I've got a story. Yeah, yeah. I've got a story. Story, story. I've got a story.
Everybody had fun.
Once again. Once again. I've got a story. I've got a story. Story, story. I've got a story. I've got a story, story, story.
Don't nobody move, nobody gets hurt.
Hold on, please.
Look at all these snacks that Papa got. We got 2 great stuff over here, and Papa, what was this called again?
Beef protein. It's like protein, but it's protein.
Once again. I've got a story. I've got a story. Story, story.
I'm gonna puke!
I've got a story, 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 story. Once again. Once again.
Alright, you guys, last ride of the day. We're going on the Matterhorn. It's gonna be awesome.
Once again.
Alright, did everybody have fun?
Fun, fun.
Hey, Mommy, you have fun?
Yes, baby. You better believe it.
Okay, you guys, we made it back to the car. We're heading back to the house, getting some dinner, and then probably going to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure we had with our whole family.
My birthday was amazing.
Yeah.
We're having buffalo wings.
Awesome! But yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy the vid. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, keep dreaming, keep believing, you guys. See ya.
Once again.